Today, Federico has brought me to the village right before La Fortezza. It's called Moncigoli. You're in a borgo, you're close to the main highway, but you're sort of offset from your neighbors. And this is a house that is for sale. It has a swimming pool. E quante camere di letto?
2 camere da letto.
So 2 bedrooms.
Più una, 3.
3
camere da letto.
Okay, so he now has changed his mind. And now there are 3. So 3 camere di letto?
Sì, totali 3 camere da letto.
Okay.
2 nella casa principale, casa in pietra, e nella dépendance dove c'è una sauna c'è un'altra camera con una vista incredibile sulle Alpi Apuane. Cipressi abbiamo.
Oh yes, cypresses, he's pointing those out, that's good. You know, Federico was a horticulturalist in his, right when he graduated from college, university, and a degree in horticulture, no? Yes, see?
Sì, sì,
yeah,
sì, sì,
yeah.
sì.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Wow. This view is incredible. Wow. Oh, and there's the pool. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is cool. So this is very typical of this area where everything's sort of stacked up on different terraces. Quanto costa questo?
Totale
Sì.
390.
Totale, no, just questo.
Totale
You've
della
never said
proprietà.
that before. We can buy it pieces. Okay. Quanto?
390.
Okay, so 390. But this, I'll judge for myself. But I think this is pretty move-in ready. Okay, this is, wow, that view is amazing.
Quadro.
I have to take it in for a second. Hang on with me. This is an incredible view. I mean, to have your coffee in the morning, it's quite lovely. Let's start with the good stuff. Great floor, great wall, very charming. The kitchen, questa cucina vecchio, no?
Funzionante, bene.
But it works well, as a true salesman would say.
C'è anche
Everything
lavastoviglie.
There's a dishwasher, which is very exciting.
Importante.
Because the kitchen is small, you know, it's a very small investment. You could make this very cool. I think it's very weird that they take this table and they shove it against the fireplace. I always think these are such strange decisions. Like, why wouldn't you put the table over here and put 2 chairs here? Like, you don't have to have the table in juxtaposition, and it's such a big table. And do they move it out? Maybe they move it out in the middle of the room. But I always find it strange that there's a sofa and a table. It's like, what are we thinking here, floor plan wise? But it's a nice big room, and it has a really nice fireplace, which will keep it nice and warm and cozy. And the kitchen is not very big, and actually the tiles behind the kitchen are nice. So I think you could get the same configuration as this, and then leave this, and the camera's actually not bad either. Okay, it's nice. I mean, they painted this weird yellow, jeez.
Andava molto col contrasto con la pietra.
But it's not true.
È vero.
No, bianca is better.
Però uno la può personalizzare come...
Exactly. Everybody has different tastes. You are correct. Please don't be green. Now see, this is a nice green color. Yeah, this is great. You know, it kind of reminds me of like sort of an alpine house. It just has that alpine feel, which I like for a vacation house. I think this is quite cute. Great size room. I'd sign off on this. I would paint it and maybe do a little kitchen. That's it, basta. The rest is great. Very nice. I mean, nice, you know, nice sized bedrooms. I love that everything looks at the mountains. Good feng shui. It's good feng shui, this house. They just built the house basically to look at the view, which makes perfect sense to me. Very cute. Very, very little, charming little house, really. A little higher price than we normally look at, but it is very much a quality. It's a very well done house. I mean, all the beams, and it's quite nice. For somebody that wants this incredible view in a cute village with a pool and a sauna, yes, please.
A swimming pool.
Yeah, yeah, pool, swimming pool.
Pool, swimming pool.
Americans just say pool.
Pool.
It's just a pool.
Pool.
Not a swimming pool. No one says that.
Pool.
Get with it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this bathroom's fabulous. Okay, this is great. Oh, it's got the tile that I like. This is great. Excellent. Lovely. Oh my God, I look crazy. Okay. This is so cute. Fantastic, love it. A little wash machine here. I love everything about this bathroom. This is a very, very carina casa questa. Mi piace molto, molto qualità.
Qualità.
Qualità, grazie.
Utilizzato ottimo materiale.
Sì, penso sì. It's tight. It's tight, this house. Yeah, I think Michael, you would like this house, right? Yes, Michael, you would like it. Michael's like, no, but I think I like it.
It's this great room. And that the highway, like getting out of the pool yourself.
Well, we're in Italy, Michael, get real. That's not a highway, that's a beautiful view. You're crazy, Michael. This is a really cute little vacation house. I love it.
Qui barbecue per mangiare fuori.
So here's some sense. There's the table, and there is where you make the food and bring it to the table versus down the road, running it up the road. Questo è un hot tub.
Questo sì.
Ah, yeah, now we're talking.
Per l'esterno.
Boom, chicka, boom, boom. Yeah, hot tub. Frank would love this.
Fantastico.
Posso usare? Frank.
Però è fantastico.
Faccio un pasticciato e poi... This is so cute. Come on, a hot tub? It's great. I do love this. I like this a lot. I think this is great. It's priced, the pizza is a little high.
Sì, è la posizione. Lì poi abbiamo un filare di vite e qui il vino buono c'è a Moncigoli.
Oh, okay. So Moncigoli whites. I was pushing the wine. Do you think he's a wino? I think he drinks a lot of wine, this one. Piace vino, too.
Un pochino.
I don't believe him. Don't fall off the end. I always love the photographers and videographers are always like perched on the end, so that I'm like, that's all I'm worried about. I like this. I think it's really cute. I think the price is a little high. Un po'.
La casa è stata tutta ben ristrutturata.
Yeah, lo so. They put a lot into it, and you can tell that they did. It's a little jewel box, I think. Okay, let's see the sauna. Let's go. Do we have to take our clothes off?
Okay.
Oh, he's taking his clothes off. Oh my God, I would just buy this house for this sauna.
Okay.
Frank would want this sauna.
Sauna, vasca e pool.
Oh my God, I love this. I have to take, Michael, will you take some pictures? I want to do this in my house. Where should we do this? In the house? No, I think we need an outbuilding. I really want a sauna. I think we should get a sauna. You can get like those ready-made saunas, right?
Correct.
I mean, to me, I would buy this house for the sauna. It's like wrap it up. This is so cool. I'm loving this.
Un bagno?
Italiano proprietario?
No, è un inglese.
They're English and they want a sauna. Well, that's pretty weird. Sorry, guys. Thought they'd say Danish or something. Our crew is British, that's why I said that.
È comodo un bagno.
And a little toilet. This is brilliant. This is like a cabana with a sauna. I wonder if we could turn the sauna on and then Frank and I could just come here, get the keys from him and sit there. Do you think that they would care? Just sit in the hot tub, bring a bottle of wine. We just have to walk down. Like there's a private road from our house. It takes 10 minutes to walk here. Don't you think that would be cool? We could also just drive. Have the keys, sit in the hot tub, have some wine, sit in the sauna. Do you think they'd let us do that? I'm like obsessed with this.
Poi se vengono amici o per affittare.
Okay, so if you have friends, which we don't.
Qui parla da solo.
You can have them come up here. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. This is great, you guys. And how cute is this little bed set up? How cute is this? This is a great Airbnb situation here, isn't it? As is, yeah. I love it. Okay, this is fantastic. I love this. Posso usare questa sauna o questa hot tub? Le chiave?
Aspetta che ce l'ho in tasca.
Frankie, io. Ciao. He's gonna give me the keys. We're gonna drive down tonight with some bottle of wine. I love this. This is great. Frank and I will be sitting in the sauna, sitting in the hot tub, having a glass of wine. We just have to drive down the street. So all kidding aside, thanks for making it this far. I hope you did, because it's worth it, because this is a great house. See you next time. Thank you to Federico. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Exactly. And I love this house, so we're gonna give it 4 thumbs up. Peace.